What's going on, family? So, just signed up a little service call. One of those was broken, so I put another piece here. Had to cut it off of there. Well, that tip up over here was bent up real good, so we just bent it back and put a good little well under there. That way they can lift up some of this heavy wood and the pieces that they get when they do their reclaimed wood station. So, that's what we're doing. Ramping everything up right now. Finna sum it up. I got some pieces to actually go pick up over here to finish the container conversion I was telling you about. So, you know, we on it. So, you know, utilizing the area and networking. She needed some welding, so I traded for some services. And hey, I need some wood, and we helping one another. So I think when you're networking yourself, you got to think like that. Think outside of the box. Network your skills, network your services. So, you know, you never know who need what you got to offer, and vice versa. Keep getting your hog on. Black Phoenix.